Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Check it out here. Today I'll be making eggless banana bread. I have these banana here. It's overripe. No one eats it, so I decided to make eggless banana bread. So check it out here. Two nice banana. Check it out. And that's all the ingredients I'll be using here. And I have some walnut. I already started peeling it. Basil butter, I'll melt that. Carnation milk and some condensed milk left over from my fudge. There it is for my banana bread. Looking good. So I'll peel the banana here. Nice and soft for banana bread. So this banana bread I'll make eggless. There it is. So I'll just use my fork and just smash it up. The banana smell good already. Just smashing it up here. So look at that. Check out the banana here. Nice and soft, all smashed up. So now I'll add half a can of carnation milk. I'll add quarter can of condensed milk. Add the stick of butter, melted butter. Adding a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, add quarter cup of sugar. Since I add the condensed milk, I just add quarter cup of sugar. Mix everything up. Add in 1 cup of sifted flour. Add in half a cup of whole wheat. This is a healthy eggless banana bread. I added whole wheat too. One teaspoon of baking powder. I'm adding 1 pack of this low sugar Quaker oats, and it's apple cinnamon. I will add this, so it's a healthier eggless banana bread. So that's the pack here. So I'll be adding this pack here. I'm making a healthy eggless banana bread. I'll add some more carnation. So that's 3/4 cup so far. I added half before. I added another 1/4 cup. Add in half a cup of cranberry, half a cup of raisin, so I added the whole can of carnation milk because I want it very moist. So check it out. This will be a moist banana bread, the whole can of carnation. So I have some more walnut to crack, so I put it in here, and it's so easy to crack. See, everything comes out already. Look, check it out. That's the walnut, just put it inside. And there it is. Check it out. Easy. I'll continue with this. So I put this walnut in a Ziploc here, so I'll just take my spoon and just go like this. Check it out, into pieces. So I'm adding it to my banana bread. Just fold it in now. So guys, 1 can of carnation I added here. 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of condensed milk, not too sweet. And I added that Quaker oat, whole wheat flour, and flour. This is healthy. Check it out here. So I have my little pan here. I just spray it with some pan spray. It's an easier way for me. That's the pan spray here. When you're in a rush, this is so easy. So now I'll pour the batter in. Check it out, guys. So I'll just pop it on for a little bit and put it on slow heat in the air fryer. Check it out here in the air fryer on bake on low heat for half an hour. Check it out here. This is 10 minutes ago. Still have 20 minutes more. Check out the banana bread here. All done. Check out the color. Looks good. So I'll just flip it over. Ooh la la, check that out. Looks so yummy. Check out the banana bread, guys. Eggless banana bread, check it out. Cut on the banana bread here. Check that out. Check it out here. All the raisin, cranberry, and walnut looking so good. Banana bread looks so nice. Trying a piece here, it's so moist with the carnation milk. How is it? Moist?
Yeah, it's good.
So moist. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching.